And welcome back to Talk Smack with Mac. In this segment, I'm going to be talking about the destruction of boxing. Boxing's over with, people.
Are you ready? Let's talk smack.
Recently, we just watched Floyd Mayweather, one of the greatest boxers of all time, one of my idols, guys that I patterned my boxing game after, get into the ring with someone like me, little YouTube guy. This was fucked up. This is bad for boxing, bad for business, and wonderful for Floyd Mayweather and Logan Paul. Go get your money, 118 mil and like 18 mil, something like that. That's a lot of money for a little sparring session. Shit that Floyd probably does on the daily. Get in there with a light heavyweight or a heavyweight guy preparing for a fight, kind of, brush him up a little bit, get him used to that Floyd speed and those Floyd instincts. Bro, they were hugging in the ring. This is not good. There are guys in boxing that put their damn lives on the line. Guys that don't have houses to go back to. Guys that are taking punishment in the gym because this is the only way they could feed their families. But yet you have a legend and a guy that has a bunch of followers getting in the ring, selling tickets, and making a lot of money. While you have guys like Francis Ngannou second questioning the UFC for not paying them enough. This is an interesting position, people. This could be very bad for boxing because if we could watch a very silly ass exhibition fight between an old retired boxer and a YouTube guy, but we are not watching the stars of the sport is dead. This is not good for boxing. This is good for the excitement. Good for what could happen if Chad Johnson, the football player, got into the ring. Could these guys really fight? Who doesn't want to see Chris Brown and Soldier Boy scrapping? That's good for that. But for the warriors that are training every day to be the best boxer to get their family and themselves out of fucked up situations, this is bad for them. Nobody wants to watch them anymore. Why watch, Johnny from the hood coming up in his third fight when I could watch, Soldier Boy and Chris Brown or Chad Johnson? Oh shit, Mike Tyson's coming back.
Lamar Odom and Aaron Carter about to fight next.
Lamar Odom and Aaron Carter. Who gives a fuck? Who cares? I could get in the ring and beat these dudes up. Nobody wants to see me fight. I don't give a fuck about if Lamar Odom could beat up Aaron Carter. Who cares? I want to see some warriors. I want to see Gervonta Davis in there slanging and banging, throwing them things. I want to see Tyson Fury and Anthony Joshua. I want to see Tyson Fury running back with Deontay Wilder. Those are the fights I want to see. Those are the guys that are paying respect to the sport and being masters of their craft. Not Nate Robinson. Stop. Boxing's dead, people.